Hey guys, I'm here with another really good product to show you guys. I've had a chance to use these ratchet straps and these things are awesome. Super easy to use. Pull it right out, set it how you want to, and then you'll go ahead and push this down. It's going to take up that slack and then you can crank it so it's nice and tight. Now these ratchet straps work really well. They do boast to have a 4,400 pound max braking strength, so these things should be able to hold a lot more than what you're looking to hold. The working load limit is just under 1,500 pounds. These are really good for anything heavy and big. And I even just used it to bring a door home this last weekend, which isn't very heavy, but very, very nice wide ratchet straps. Super strong, so you know they're going to be able to handle anything that you throw at them. They do come with these really nice soft ties. If you do plan on moving a motorcycle, these are extremely beneficial. So you can get it right around your handlebars and cinch down, so that way you're not getting any metal to metal action and scraping your bike at all. This will keep it nice and clean, and you can use these for anything that you really don't want to damage. All of your cord is there. They don't take up much room. You don't have this mess of nylon strap running around that you got to detangle each time you want to use your ratchet straps. So I suggest picking up a set of these. Definitely, they work wonderful. The price is perfect. I got a link below. If you guys want to grab some of these, just click on that link and pick some up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. These are really good. Check them out.